Welcome back to the Autocrafters, where we dive deep into the world of cars past, present and future. Today we're exploring a name that resonates with generations of automotive lovers, the Volkswagen Beetle. But this isn't the Beetle your parents knew, this is the reinvented all-electric futuristic 2025 Volkswagen Beetle. Before we get into what's new, let's take a quick look back. The Beetle, originally known as the Type 1, was born in the late 1930s and became the people's car. Affordable, quirky, reliable. It evolved through the decades, eventually becoming a cultural icon in the 60s and 70s. Volkswagen revived it in the late 90s with the new Beetle, and then again with a more masculine redesign in the 2010s. But after 2019 it was discontinued until now. For 2025, VW has given the Beetle a radical rebirth, fully electric, thoroughly modern yet unmistakably Beetle. This isn't just a throwback, it's a reimagination. Let's talk about design. The 2025 Beetle strikes a beautiful balance between nostalgic cues and futuristic refinement. Right up front you've got those classic round headlights, but now they're pixel-style LED matrix lamps with animated light signatures. The clamshell hood has returned, paired with a smooth fascia that's clean and minimalistic. From the side the signature Beetle curve remains intact. The roofline arches gracefully from the A-pillar to the rear, maintaining that unmistakable silhouette. The wheel arches are pronounced, the doors are frameless, and there's even a soft hint of the old chrome trim now reimagined in brushed aluminum. The 20-inch wheels have a retro-inspired turbine design that looks futuristic but echoes old-school hubcaps. At the back, a full-width LED light bar ties into VW's new design language, and the subtle ducktail spoiler is functional and stylish. Color choices, oh, they nailed it. You've got retro shades like seafoam green, Miami yellow and strawberry red, alongside modern metallics like carbon blue and pearl white. Step inside the 2025 Beetle and you're met with what VW calls heritage meets innovation. The dashboard echoes the shape of the original Beetle, but it's fully digital. A 12.3-inch digital cockpit sits behind the steering wheel, complemented by a 15-inch floating infotainment screen in the center. The steering wheel is two-tone with a flat bottom and haptic feedback controls, and look closely, the horn button is a nod to the classic Beetle horn ring. The infotainment system runs VW's latest ID.OS 4.0 software with fast responsiveness, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto and OTA updates. One of the coolest features, customizable ambient lighting themes inspired by different eras of the Beetle. You can select from modes like 60s surf, 90s cool or futuristic glow. As for materials, the seats are eco leather or recycled fabric options with Beetle-shaped stitching. VW even includes a flower vase nod, this time built into the dashboard with magnetic inserts for personalization. Under the hood, the RWD variant does 0 to 60 in around 6.9 seconds, zippy and smooth for everyday driving, but the AWD GTX trim that one rockets from 0 to 60 in just under 4.9 seconds. Instant torque, whisper quiet operation and a low center of gravity thanks to the floor-mounted battery pack make the new Beetle feel agile and playful in city traffic while remaining composed on the highway. Suspension tuning prioritizes comfort, but there's a dynamic drive mode that stiffens everything up and sharpens throttle response. Range, the 77 kWh battery provides up to 305 miles of WLTP range in the RWD version and about 265 miles in the AWD GTX trim. DC fast charging, absolutely 80% in around 28 minutes at 170 kilowatts. The Beetle isn't trying to be a Tesla Model 3 performance or a Taycan, it's aiming to offer an emotional, accessible EV driving experience, and it nails that goal. There's even memory parking, where the Beetle can remember your common parking maneuvers like your tight garage turn and repeat them automatically. And for parents or new drivers, VW offers a Beetle Guardian mode which allows speed limiting, geo-fencing and curfew settings via the smartphone app. Safety isn't just covered, it's smart, intuitive and accessible. The 2025 Volkswagen Beetle isn't just a car, it's a statement. A bridge between where we've been and where we're going. It captures the spirit of the original while embracing everything modern EVs have to offer. Is it for everyone? No. But if you want charm, character and a driving experience that makes you smile every time you hit the accelerator, then this Beetle should be on your radar. That's a wrap on our deep dive into the 2025 Volkswagen Beetle. What do you think? Would you take this modern icon over a more traditional EV? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, we'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the review, make sure to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update from us.